One of the best ways to promote your Facebook event is by directly displaying it on your WordPress website like this. In this video, I will show you how to do that with no coding needed. This is by using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. To purchase it, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To begin creating our Facebook Events feed, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. Before we can create our first feed, we'll have to activate the license key for the plugin. Paste your license key over here and click Activate. Now you can see our license key has been activated, so we can click Save Changes. And to get started, on the left-hand side under Facebook Feed, click on All Feeds. Then at the top, click Add New. With Facebook Feed Pro, you can create several different types of feeds. For instance, you can create a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, a feed of videos from your Facebook page, and several more options. But for this video, we want to display our Facebook events, so we can select the events feed type over here and click Next. And now we'll have to add a source for our Facebook events. Click Add New, and a pop-up here will ask you to enter all the information for your Facebook page. We need the Facebook page ID, an event access token, and the event's iCal URL. I've already got these details ready, but if you want to learn how to find them yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your event access token, you can paste it here like this. And next, for the Facebook page ID, navigate to your Facebook page, click on the About tab, and if you go into Page Transparency, you can find your Facebook page ID over here. Copy it, and you can paste it inside the plugin like this. And lastly, for the event's iCal URL, navigate to Facebook, and make sure you're logged into the Facebook page you want to get your events from. And on the left-hand side, go ahead and click on Events, then click on Your Events. On the right-hand side, you'll now notice an Add to Calendar button. Right-click on it and copy the link address. Next, inside the plugin, paste it here like this and click Add Source. And now you'll see your Facebook page as a source inside the plugin, so you can select it like this and click Next. Then, on this step, you can select the theme for the appearance of your Facebook events feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one gives you a unique appearance for your Facebook events feed. For this video, we're going to keep it on default and click Next. And lastly, we can select the template for the layout of our Facebook events feed. You have options like the default, simple masonry, widget, simple cards, and more below. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep it on default once again and click Next. And in just a matter of minutes, you can see a beautiful preview of your fast and responsive Facebook events feed. This feed is currently displaying all our upcoming events for our Facebook page that we selected. This is now ready to be embedded on your WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your Facebook events feed. At the top, you can specify which layout you'd like for your feed, with options like the list, which displays your events in a single column list like this. Next, we have the masonry layout, which displays your Facebook events in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through your events by clicking on the buttons like these. For this video, I'm going to stick with the list layout, and if you look at the bottom, you can also choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. To modify this, you can simply enter the number of events you want to display, just like this. And you can see that change made instantly inside the live preview on the right-hand side. Our feed is now only displaying 2 posts. I'm going to change that back to 3. And once you're happy with the layout of your Facebook events feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your Facebook events feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. At the top, you can see that it's currently set to inherit from theme. This means that your Facebook feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact color you want for your feed, just like this. For this video, I'm going to keep it on Inherit from Theme, and once you're happy with your color scheme, go click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your feed, under the Customize tab, go click on Header. You can see that we have 2 different header styles you can choose from. First one is the visual header style, which includes your Facebook profile picture and the Facebook page cover photo as well. And underneath that, you can go with the text header, which is a simple text header that you can modify down below. Alternatively, if you want to disable the header entirely, you can toggle it off at the top here. You can see now that the header has completely disappeared inside your feed. But for this tutorial, I'm going to enable it and go with the visual header style. And if you've made any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control over the posts you display inside your Facebook events feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside this menu, you have several options to filter the events you display inside your feed. At the top, you can add words as filters so your feed will hide or show events containing those words. At the bottom, you can also filter your events based on date. Enabling this will allow you to only display Facebook events from that specific date range. With these options, you have complete control over the Facebook events you display inside your feed. And if you made any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner once again. Now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook events feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a Page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. And here we are on our WordPress web page. To embed our feed, we have two options. First option is to use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Facebook feed block like this. With this option, you'll see a drop down here displaying all the Facebook feeds you've created. Select your Facebook events feed, and it should display a preview of it right here inside your WordPress web page. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live WordPress website. Here we are now on our live WordPress web page, and if I look down below, we have our brand new, fast and responsive Facebook events feed. This feed is displaying all our upcoming Facebook events from the page we added as a source. And inside each event, site visitors can see the event photo, the event name, the date, time, and even the description for that event as well. And if they click on it, that will take your site visitor directly to that event page on Facebook. And that's how we embed our Facebook events feed on our WordPress website. But let me show you how we can embed our Facebook events feed inside the sidebar or footer of your website as well. Back inside the plugin, I've just created a second Facebook events feed for the footer of our website. To embed this inside the footer, click on Embed once again, copy a dedicated shortcode, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, click Add to a widget. And here we are inside the WordPress widgets menu. To embed our Facebook events feed inside the footer, we can open it up like this. Click on the plus icon. We have the same two options to embed it as before. We can either use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we just copied, or we can use a dedicated Facebook feed block like this. Next, we can select the feed we want to display, and just like that, it will display a preview of it directly inside your WordPress widgets menu. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are back on our live WordPress web page, and right in the middle we have that Facebook events feed that we created earlier. And now if I scroll down to the bottom into the footer, we have a second Facebook events feed now inside the footer of our website. This one is in a carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through the events on your feed like this. So you now know how to embed fast and responsive Facebook feeds on your WordPress website, both on a web page and inside the footer as a widget as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.